Imagine drinking water that purifies, energizes, and heals you naturally. Sounds interesting, right? Today, let's explore this simple yet powerful practice of sun-charged water. The sun is the source of life, and it is believed that sunlight contains more than 70 elements and has powerful energetic waves that get mixed into water when exposed to it. Sun-charged water, also known as solarized water or Surya Jal Chikitsa in Ayurveda, is an ancient remedy mentioned in the Atharva Veda, one of the foundational scriptures of Vedic literature. It's based on a fascinating concept. When sunlight falls on water, it's believed to boost the water's molecular structure, transforming it from dead water to living water. Sunlight carries with it pranic, life force energy, which, when infused into water, transforms it into a natural purifier and energizer. Hence, it balances the body's 3 doshas, enhancing health and vitality. This isn't just an Ayurvedic practice. In Japan, solarized water aligns with the concepts of nature and harmony. The practice of sun reiki, healing with sunlight, emphasizes exposing water to sunlight for energy balance and vitality. In traditional Chinese medicine, the sun's yang energy is believed to have a healing and balancing effect when consumed indirectly through solarized water. It's also interesting to know that indigenous tribes around the world have used sunlight to purify water and infuse it with vitality for centuries. So let's look at the benefits of drinking sun-charged water. 1. Exposing water to sunlight is said to energize it with the sun's natural pranic energy, leaving you feeling revitalized. 2. Sun-charged water balances digestive fire, enhancing metabolism and improving digestion. Hence, this balances the 3 doshas. 3. Drinking solarized water can calm your mind, reduce stress, and promote mental clarity. 4. Sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, and the process of charging water is believed to boost immunity and bone strength due to its thermal energy. 5. Sun-charged water is said to aid in detoxifying the body by neutralizing toxins. A research study published in the National Library of Medicine highlights that solar UV radiation kills harmful bacteria, viruses, and protozoa, making water safer to consume. The process works by generating reactive oxygen species, or ROS, that destroy microbial DNA and cellular structures. Studies have also shown a significant reduction in waterborne diseases like diarrhea in populations using SODIS-treated water. Another research study conducted by Dr. Masaru Emoto in Japan confirms that sunlight enhances water's molecular structure, which improves its quality and vitality. So, how to prepare sun-charged water? Take a clear glass container. Fill this glass container with clean water. Place the container in direct sunlight, preferably outdoors or on a windowsill for optimal exposure. Leave it under the sun for 5 to 7 hours, preferably around 7 to 11 a.m., depending on the intensity of sunlight. Morning sunlight is considered ideal due to its gentle yet effective energy. Once charged, cover the container and store the water in a cool, dark place. Copper vessels are often used for storing sun-charged water, as copper is believed to release ions into the water, enhancing its therapeutic value. You can also use translucent colored bottles to charge water, preferably blue, green, or yellow, as different colors are believed to enhance specific energies. This is known as Solarized Water Color Therapy, which combines the benefits of sunlight and the vibrational frequencies of colors to promote healing and balance in the body and mind. This practice is based on the principle that different colors correspond to specific energy frequencies, which can influence the body's energy centers, or chakras, and overall well-being. Each color is associated with a specific chakra and can help balance its energy. For example, red color for the root chakra, promoting grounding and vitality; blue for the throat chakra, enhancing communication and calmness; green for the heart chakra, promoting love and healing; and yellow for the solar plexus, promoting willpower and mental clarity. Hence, you can choose to drink water charged with colors that align with your physical or emotional needs. You can also apply the sun-charged water for various activities, adding the solarized water to your bath for an immersive healing experience, using the water to rinse your face or body to promote skin health and energy balance watering plants, offering pets solarized water for vitality and growth. So, there you have it. A simple, ancient practice, that's as easy as placing a bottle of water in the sun. It's nature's gift to us, right from the heart of the sun. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with the latest insights and tips. Let's grow and discover together.